Hi all, Ben here at Advanced Auto Tech. I want to take a minute today and talk about tires. I want to go over some important information that's located on your tires, one of which is the size, the speed rating, and the load range. Another piece of important information that's located on the tires themselves is the date of manufacture. The date of manufacture is the last 4 digits of the DOT number. Now, as far as maintaining your tires, one of the most important things you can do is to keep the tire pressure correct. The tire pressure on most vehicles is located on the driver's door jamb. Some vehicles it might be on the gas tank flap, but most vehicles it's on the driver's door jamb. Another thing you want to do to maintain your tires is to keep them rotated at every service interval. The reason we do that is because if they're not rotated, they will start to wear unevenly and also start to get cupped. And that causes road noise, and it also can cause some irregular patterns in the tire themselves. Now, replacing tires, we would recommend to replace tires at 4/30 seconds and to have the alignment checked at every year. Thank you for watching. Give us a call if you need your tires checked. Thank you. Bye-bye.